How to enable family sharing on Steam. First is by opening your Steam app, or you may go to your Chrome browser or any web browser that you want, and make sure to go to store.steampower.com and sign in with your account. Once you have done that, you need to go to your Steam button right here, found on the upper left corner of the screen, and click on Settings. Once you have chosen Settings, you may click on Family right here and make sure to click on Authorize Library Sharing on this device. If there is a notice that will pop up in which it will say something like you need to turn on your security, simply go to Security right here, click on Manage Steam Guard, and then you need to choose either of these two. So you may choose Get Steam Guard Codes by email or Get Steam Guard Codes from the Steam app on my phone. So normally, the default one is Turn Steam Guard Off. So you need to choose either of these two. And then you need to go back to Settings, go to Family, and now you may turn on this option right here. So that's it. That's how you can enable family sharing on Steam.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.